everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove these pre-installed apps on your Android phone. So some of these you might not be able to delete. So I don't know, maybe like the camera option for example. I can't go to delete, it just cancels out, but it's still there. So some of these apps you just simply have to disable because you can't delete. So how do you disable them? Then you won't be able to see them. It'll be like the same thing. So we can go to settings, go to apps, go to see all. Scroll on through here and find an application. So here's my camera for example. We have the option to disable it. So it says if you disable this app, Android and other apps may no longer function as intended. Keep in mind you can't delete this app since it came pre-installed on your device. Okay, well I'm going to disable it real quick. And then go back. And I don't see it anymore. It was here in the bottom right now, it's Messenger. So I can just go back here, I hit the switcher, and then I can just re-enable it, and it's back on my phone. So just go through your phone, and you can just disable the pre-installed apps. Otherwise, you can just delete them. Like this one, what is Dreams? I have no clue what that is. I'm not going to use that. So I can just disable that. So just keep in mind. And then for some reason, if you really want to just go through everything, you can show the system apps. And you can see all these different system apps, and yeah, a lot of them are going to just be on here now. So if you ever have a problem with the system apps or whatever reason, you can just go in here and you can see them on here too, and you can just force stop them. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.